Alright guys, good evening. I'm coming to you from El Paso, Texas. We're at the Hampton Inn and Suites East, it's called, which is close to the airport off of Interstate 10. We're going to stay the night here. We're using points to stay here for free, so let's go make some memories. So we're going to give you the room tour of our hotel here in El Paso. We're in room 408. Let's go check it out. There's a heavy door. Alright, so as soon as you come in the door, here's the bathroom. Bathroom with the soaps. Oh, they have VO5. Rinses and lotions. Interesting. Typical shower. Plenty of towels, which is great. Alright, let's see what kind of artwork we got here. I always like showing the artwork on the wall. You can see we already brought some of our stuff into the room. So we're only here the one night. 2 queen-size beds. Yes, after being in the other hotel where we had felt like doubles, these are definitely bigger. Let's see what this lamp looks like turned on. Okay. And then in the drawer, typical space there. We have a microwave. Some drawers. I'm guessing this is the mini fridge. Oh, it's a mini fridge. Oh, it's tiny. I don't even know if you guys could see that. It's so dark in here. Let me turn this back on. Let me try that again. The mini fridge. Little coffee cups and an ice maker. An ice bucket. And then, hello again. Typical desk, beds. Let's see what our view looks like. Our view outside is of Interstate 10, El Paso, and then if you look in the far distance, those lights you can see in the far distance, that's actually Juarez, Mexico. Those lights you see way beyond out there. We're hugging the border here. There's another piece of artwork there. Thermostat. And then there's a closet in here with an ironing board, luggage rack, and just standard stuff.
I noticed this on the wall. I'm not really sure what's up with that. If it's plastering or there's no way that's decoration, so I'm not really sure what happened here, but it's just seems to be on that wall. Stains there, random hair here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. And I'm a picky person, so makes you wonder how well they clean. I'm always very picky about rooms. Can't help it.
So here's the breakfast. I got apple juice this morning because the orange juice machine was coming out basically just as water. What did you get? Some yogurt? Yogurt with raisins and some cereal? Yummy. Mommy's making a waffle. I'll have to show you that in a second. A waffle in the shape of Texas. Alright. That's the breakfast area back there. Breakfast was okay. Wasn't the best hotel breakfast, wasn't the worst. Coffee area. Front desk, the entranceway. And this way is the fitness center and the meeting rooms. There's one of the meeting rooms. Breakfast here, by the way, was 6 to 10. There's another meeting room there. There's the restrooms by the meeting room. Alright, the fitness center in here. 24 hours a day. Wow, pretty good sized fitness room. They've got a full-size mirror. They've got towels. Alright. Let's see what else is out here. And down here is just regular, a couple of hotel rooms here on the first floor. That's it. Alright. Down this way. This side is where business center is... Okay, here's the business center. Here's the business center. Open 24 hours a day as well. And that's pretty much it down here. So this is gonna wrap up our stay here at the Hampton Inn and Suites, El Paso East, located off of Interstate 10, close to the airport. When we first checked into the hotel, there were a few issues. The hotel room wasn't spotless, and it's a little concerning, especially in these times. You would think that cleaning would be the utmost priority. The staff when we checked in was just kind of ho-hum. No welcome for being Hilton Honors members. Not even much of a welcome or a smile out of the person that checked us in. I don't even know what her name was because she wasn't wearing a name tag. But overall, the stay was decent. The bed was comfortable. The shower had good water pressure. However, the toilet and the sink had extremely low water pressure. So even something simple as washing your hands would take a little while because the water pressure coming out of the sink was so low. And then when you flushed the toilet, it acted like it didn't want to go down even just with water in it. But overall, it was a good stay. It's a good place to stop over. It was a point stay for us, so we stayed here completely for free with our Hilton Honors points. So it didn't cost us anything. It's a good stopping point because we're heading east through Texas now, and there's not a whole lot until you get to San Antonio. It's just a couple of small towns. Wasn't the greatest. If I had to do it over again, would I have chosen maybe a different hotel? Sure. I'd only consider staying here again, to be honest, if I was using points to get the stay complimentary. The staff this morning was a little bit better. You know, they were a little friendlier and a little bit nicer. So, I mean, you know, kind of offsets each other, but yeah, so I mean, if you like watching our hotel reviews, hit that like button. If you enjoy watching us travel and hit the road, hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below if you've ever stayed in El Paso. What was your favorite hotel to stay in here? Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you soon.